All right, guys, got a 2007 Acura TL, muffler, and one resonator delete. Converter there, English factory converter shoved in up there, flex pipe, and then we took off the mid resonator right here, put 2.5 in its place, left that resonator there, and then went back and then took off both of the rear mufflers right there, and then went back to his factory tips on each side, right there and right there. It looks like nothing was ever done to it. Looks factory still. There's the setup right there. I assume those are the stock rear mufflers. They are. The wands ringing out, and that's the stock mid behind him, right there and right there. So there it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
2004 Acura TL. Check it out, guys. All right, so it's got high flow cat there, second one there, wise into a single. Then what we did is ran 3-inch pipe all the way back, custom bent into Dynomax race bullet right there, and then finished it off nicely with a nice double wall 4-inch tip. All custom all the way, as you guys can see. Look at the beautiful welds. We love the guys at Exhaust Addicts. They know how to do it and do it right. Compared to what it was, that was the kit that was on it, all rusted out and bad. And that's the centerpiece that we took out too. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and what? Subscribe. There you go. All right, stay tuned.
Still fairly quiet. Here's sound decibels. And 92. What do you think? Like it?
Oh yeah.
Loud enough?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Like just enough too. Just enough.
Well, I say you could always take off that other resonator down the line too.
And maybe put like maybe a bullet or something, a Dynomax bullet. Or
Yeah,
something
like that. Let's say that or a vibrant or something like that. And now let's say the other thing is you also have that secondary cat on there that we can replace as a high flow too.
It would make it sound different too.
Yes, and to give you a little bit of performance behind it as well.
I like that.
Here, let me slide back here, brother. Sorry. Let you guys hear it on this side.
Here we go, guys. Acura TL 2004 3-inch fully straight pipe into a Dynomax race bullet and 4-inch tip. Go ahead. He's about to cry. He's so happy. Give me gas. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 110. What do you think? Yeah, that's it. So what do you do? You approve?
Hell yeah.
He does photography too, guys. If you want him, hit him up on his Instagram.
Hell yeah.
What's your Instagram?
WT Rail J or WT Street Life.
Street Life.
Street culture too.
And street culture. Rev it one more time. Nice. Bring it out back. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. It always comes off.
I'll put it back on spot.
Okay.
Don't start that side.
Yeah, we'll do it this way. Wow. It warmed up. It sounds better. It sounds so good. guys here on the inside.
...2007 Acura TL. Did one mid resonator, left one on, and then did both the rear mufflers. Went back to the factory tips.
That one is rear 5 inches. You did that one. You did that. Park it straight. Park it straight. I hate this. Park it straight. Just park it straight in a line, bro. He's too excited. That sounds so good. Perfect. Trying to get it in the camera. It's so loud. I love it. Enjoy, guys.